hell is this? Why do I have that? Beat making. Oh, so. Oh, yeah. I forgot I make beats. Yeah, I got it now. Oh. I heard myself do this. Oh, yeah. Oh, what's that? Stage grant. Oh, that's loud. Oh, wait. Okay, so I know how to play piano, and I have FL Studio 20 apparently, so I can make music. Yeah, it's been a long time, to be honest. Let me do some music then. And that was a little skit I did just for, I don't know, some funny purpose shit. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We officially back. This is my first vid. We got LoopCloud. Yeah, thanks for LoopCloud for sponsoring this video. Let me first open up LoopCloud. Yeah, LoopCloud basically a library of sound, and they have all the instruments you need, effects, bass. You can see right here string. You can just click and they show you exactly the sound you chose and the genres you can always, and they have like genres that I don't even know they exist, to be honest. And yeah, house, funk, and I can even search whatever I need, and I can choose one shots for my boys. That's LoopCloud, the face of it. The perfect thing they have is this editor right here. They have their own editor that you can just bring your sample and you can do everything you want to. Alright, you can just half time it. Here you can change the octave. You can choose the key for these lazy people that don't know some basic music theory shit. You can just like use C# and everything will turn into C#. After that, they have these effects right here. Yeah, let's say for example you have this loop right here. You can add delay to it, EQs, and the filters are just like so clean, especially with the LFOs and with the sweeps. They go crazy. Also, hit the link in the description and sign up to get a 30-day free trial for LoopCloud, and it's including a 1 GB of boom and trap pack. It's basically a good pack, has some follies and some good stuff for samples, one shots, and just some loops you can use, and they have a lot of stuff in it, and I enjoyed it, and I made a lot of samples with it. And 30-day subscription to LoopCloud and access to 4 million sounds and 100 points to spend on sounds, and the LoopCloud drum and play plugins, and they're just like a synthesizers. This LoopCloud play plugin, and with the LoopCloud drum, just a drum plugin, you can add your own sounds to it, and it has a sequence right here. Also, you can play it by hand by your MIDI keyboard if you have one, and yeah, enjoy that. Yeah, with this sample, I'm gonna break it down. I just searched where is it? Yeah, ukulele right here, and I chose minor right here. You can choose, and I put it from like 0 to 100 ppm, and I scroll through the samples and I found this one. So yeah, sound like this. What you need to do first is click right here when it says auto, so it will automatically in the key you chose. Yeah, with that I just added a single reverb right here. just to give it a space. Yeah, solo, just to so you can hear the track you selected. Yeah, right here just like a instrument under classical guitar, and I found the sample too under minor. And after the track 1 you select auto, you come here and select auto 2, and it will automatically put your sample in a key. Here if you want to like chop something of the sample, you can loop sample how you want, and you want it when to end. And right here you can choose FX edit, and you can add all your effects. For this guitar I just added a simple reverb and a delay, as you can hear it. And right here the vocals, and right here, what's that? Oh, the saxophone. Just added a reverb and a simple delay. And here's the bass, just a bass guitar. I didn't add it to anything. It's perfect. I will buy all of them. I can now drag the original without the effects, or right here the processed one after they been through the effects. So you can just like click and drag. Yeah, you have your full sample right here, ready to just make a full beat out of it. Let's fuck it up. Yeah, let's how much I turn it down? 2 steps, right? Let's take it on 1. That's 12 semitones. That's 10. That's in key. And now let's give it some sauce. Yeah, boy. Yeah, right here. That's good. And I can just give it more a cut, so I can get rid of the bass. That's hard. Holy fuck. Damn. Yeah, I'm gonna show you some secret stuff. Alright, just go here, make sure new tone is not open in the main, and right here tune your 808. Alright, you can see how it's not fully on. You can just right click on a note and it will come perfect. So it's in the C, but it's start with a B, and that's the beauty of Pierre 808. So you don't want to make it, oh my god, what the hell just, yeah, it's alright. So okay buddy, what the hell. And the variation just like slightly not off key, so it can be perfectly with key. Alright, that's a great tip. So now I can just come here and yeah, it's perfect. Now it's just perfect. Let me check the sample. Yeah, you heard that, just like a perfection with the bass and how it started. Or right here I can make this unique. You can like get inspired of how many ways you can flip the same sample to create like some new sample, and it's just the same. That's obviously how a lot of music producers just what's the word, arrange their beats so it can be fun, and just like it's the same vibe and the same mood, but have a different variation to the beat, so it can be more fun to listen to and not get boring or stuff like this. So yeah, I'm gonna just go stretch it and make it like fast and try to reverse it, and let's see what it's doing. also I forgot to mention the best feature they have, and it's that you can sync LoopCloud to your DAW and it will play in the key and the time of your project. What you need to do is load up LoopCloud VST first and then open up LoopCloud, and right here click connect to DAW, and after you click it, what you need to do is come right here and choose the key of your song and click here, so it will automatically change every loop to the key of your song, and you can just like play in FL. Yeah, it will play the samples. Yeah, that's hard. And yeah, that's how you can add new stuff and experiment till you find the best sample you are looking for. And probably this is the best feature they have, and it's just like so easy and simple to make a full samples and stuff. So yeah, you can definitely use this to create unique and great music with that. I just want to thank y'all for the support I get on IG and everywhere. To be honest, I'm just beyond grateful to have you guys. So yeah, I'm just grateful for that. And yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I'm now in a good mood to start again because my channel is back and everything is alright. And yeah, family, I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. No memes about me like 2 eternity years later. I will upload, I promise. Peace.